I would definitely want to encourage people to sign up for it and hear it for themselves, not from me. Yes. I'm Susie. I am a public servant. What has motivated me to do investing is I felt that my savings are not growing fast enough. And I think in this present climate as well as the future, things are very uncertain. I would want to have a bigger nest egg because I'm quite close to retirement. So I would like to learn investing in a more educated manner so that I am able to invest in the right company, because I think value investing is something that I've been wanting to learn for a while but never had a chance. So then I came across Cayden's advertisement and said, hey, that's something I can go for. The favorite part in the VIA is the funnel saga, how you search for company, how you evaluate them, work out the intrinsic value of the company. I think those are something that I never learned before. It's a very valuable skill. I would advise them to just maybe go for Cayden's masterclass first. At least go and listen to how he came to investing. Let them make their decisions, because I don't think anyone can convince anybody. It is something that they have to make the decision themselves. I can only recommend. And if they come, they will come.